everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to log in into OnePay using OTP or PIN. First of all, open OnePay and then enter the phone number and then enter OTP or your PIN. Verify your device. After that, access your account. Safety tip: do not share OTPs since it's for your privacy. If you share it, then people will have access to your data and your money won't be in safe hands. So make sure to not share your OTPs. Then switch networks if OTP isn't coming. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and then make sure to be connected on a stable Wi-Fi so the app runs smoothly. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.